Hi, Mark. Here, Thursday, April the 16th. It is 7:50 a.m. Eastern, 11:50 a.m. GMT. US session about to get underway. Let's have a look how the market's shaping up. US dollar index for starters. You can see a fight back today. Small green candlestick tested lower. New support at 97.61. Bounce up for the US dollar and resistance of 98.08. US dollar trying to fight its way back. Strong downtrend. US dollar has been sold off. We see the strong downtrend this week, certainly lower. Attempted fight back today. We'll see whether this can materialize. If buyers can get back above that 98 or higher, or if it's going to be a continuation of US dollar weakness once the US session gets underway and sellers look back down at the support level. Let's have a look at the S&P 500 and look at the futures market for now. Good hour and a half till Wall Street opens up, and strong demand for US equities. Have a look at the S&P from beginning of the month. There's a very strong trend, higher highs, higher lows. Yesterday, record high, comfortably above that 7,000 mark, maintaining in futures trading so far at these high levels. I've got support at 7,057. I've got resistance at 7,079. We'll see where the demand continues. If buyers can continue pushing higher and US equity markets continue the strong run that we've seen going into the end of the week now, or if there's going to be a turnaround, maybe some profit taking, overbought. The RSI was almost at 70 yesterday. That could lead to a bit of a retracement, some profit taking, and see a push lower. But for now, still very strong, sitting at these high levels. Optimism surrounding the US-Iran talk certainly contributing as well. Let's have a look at gold. Gold gapped up to start, but not much movement at all. I've got support at 4,798, just below that 4,800 level. I've got resistance at 4,842, almost a doji-like candlestick for now. So no change in direction or trend at the moment. Buyers will be looking up at this resistance. Maybe we'll need a weak US dollar to add to gold strengthening. Sellers will be looking down at the support level and to maintain below the 4,800. But going into the US session, pretty flat for now. Let's have a look at Brent oil. We can see hang around that $95.50. There we should overall downtrend, and the downtrend that we're seeing and oil prices sitting below that 100 level, hang around that 95. I think based on the a best case scenario, the US and Iran hopefully going to find some kind of agreement, peace settlement, and get to agree on a lot of the issues that at this point still look far away from being completed. Buyers will look, I think, anything to the negative, to the contrary, whether it's rhetoric, whether it's physical action. We'll see prices and can see prices spike to the upside, get back to that 100 mark or higher. I think pretty much status quo and things remaining as they are for now. We'll see prices hang around this 95 level, but pretty flat the last 3 days. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin certainly showing some resilience and looking to test the 74,500, 75,000 on the upside. Uptrend in place so far. I've got support at 74.3 thousand. I've got resistance at 75.2 thousand. So very tight range for now. We'll see whether buyers reattempt to break, maintain above this resistance level at 75,000, get back to 76,000 or higher, or whether sellers do step in and look to test, break below the current support at 74,500 and to get lower and revisit the low 70s from before. But so far is looking bullish. As I said, resilient may be the best word to describe Bitcoin right now. We'll see if a new push higher today, and if buyers can test break above this current resistance level. Good trading, keep that discipline. I'll see you at the end of day.